Meet Somlets. The Somnia blockchain never sleeps. Every single second, thousands of events are firing through its network. Transfers, contract calls, executions, validations, thousands. Every second. And you see absolutely none of it. It's just invisible. All that activity, all that data, all that life just vanishing into the void. Until now. Here's what's been broken for too long. Somnia is one of the fastest blockchain networks ever built. It fires thousands of events per second through its reactive WebSocket. And what do we do with them? We index them. We store them. We query them in terminals and dashboards that nobody actually wants to look at. The data is alive. It's moving. It's screaming. Nobody's been listening. So we built it somewhere to live. Every blockchain event becomes a Somlet. A living, wandering pixel art creature that carries the data of its origin. It hatches from an egg. It wanders the world. It drinks from ponds. It gathers with others. And eventually, it dies, just like the transaction it represents. Every chicken is a soul. Every soul is a transaction. Here's what's happening under the hood. Events from Somnia's WebSocket stream in and get buffered in real time. Every 40 events, a new Somlet drops into the world. The very first one hatches from an egg. It cracks, it wobbles, and a chick emerges. Every single one after that, born by replication, an existing Somlet jumps, splits, and a new life begins. And every 60 seconds, a third of all living Somlets drop whatever they're doing, march to a random point in the world, face the screen, and perform a synchronized Morse code sequence in clucks. Yes, really. And every single one of them is carrying a real on-chain event you can inspect at any time. All right, let's get into it. This is the Somlets landing page. And already, look at the top. Chicks are walking across the screen. Down at the bottom, WebSocket status, connected. We hit enter the world, and we're in. The world boots up. Phaser loads the tile map. The WebSocket starts pumping events into the spawn queue, and we wait. There, the first Somlet hatches. Then another, each one wandering independently. Each one carrying a unique piece of the Somnia blockchain on its back. And now watch. The world starts filling up. The live event feed on the right is going crazy. Every transaction, every contract call, streaming in real time. But what happens when it gets a little too crowded? We have fire mode. Toggle it on, click anywhere in the world, and Somlets meet their end. Dramatically. Now, click any Somlet, and the inspector opens up. Every single field pulled directly from the on-chain event this creature was born from. The stack powering all of this, Next.js and TypeScript on the application layer, Phaser 3 for the game world and all creature behavior, Zoostand bridging React and the game state, Tailwind for the UI, and Somnia's WebSocket SDK as the live data source, keeping every Somlet tethered to the chain from the moment it hatches to the moment it dies. Somlets is what happens when you stop treating blockchain data like a spreadsheet and start treating it like life. Every event has a story. Every Somlet carries one. And on Somnia, there are thousands of new stories every single second. Try it yourself at somlets.vercel.app. Thank you. Much more alive now.